Yamile was a 5-year-old boy with bright eyes and a soft smile. He loved playing with his toys, asking many questions, and holding his mother's hand wherever they went.
You ready, my brave boy?
Mama, are you coming with me?
Not today, my love, but I'm always with you. Always.
His mother, Milali, loved Yamile more than anything in the world. She called him my brave boy and my heart. Every morning, she helped him get ready, fixed his clothes, and kissed his forehead before he ran off to play.
Will you call me?
Every day. And you must be good for your aunt, okay?
Okay, Mama.
One day, life asked them to be strong. Yamile was going to live with his aunt in Johannesburg.
This is your new home, Yamige. You're safe here.
My mama loves me.
Yes, very, very much.
Yamile didn't fully understand why he had to leave. He only knew that he would miss his mother's hugs and her voice at bedtime.
Yes, Mama. I miss you.
I miss you too. Sleep well. My love is hugging you right now.